Hello, techies. Welcome and welcome back to kaetalkstech. I'm Kay. Let's talk tech. So this is just a quick check-in on the job market. What's happening? What's going on? What are the rates looking at? So as you know, I've mentioned before that I am a corporate consultant, and I've been doing that 15 plus years. But that's just one part of my career, and so I've been in tech quite some time. And I must be on pretty much every list that technical recruiters have. Every list, every job board. So even if I don't look for jobs, they find me. So that allows me to keep my ear to the ground, so to speak, and know what is happening and what jobs they're looking for, what jobs are popular, and how the rates are looking. Now, of course, it's from the vantage point of business analysis, data analysis, and project management and product management. That's what people contact me for most of the time. Sometimes they do contact me for development roles still. I don't code other than SQL, so but that allows me to still see what's happening. And I can tell you that I've seen the rates starting to rebound. They're starting to come back. I mean, the rates were very, very depressed for over a year, but they're starting to come back. In the last 4 to 6 months, there's been a we don't hire anybody over 35 type of thing going on. We don't care that you have all the skills and experience that we want. We want a low rate, and we're not going to hire somebody who should be really getting a much higher rate for this low rate, because that's what we're doing right now. You know, when it's an employer's market, they get kooky, right? It's just like real estate. There's certain things that happen when it's a buyer's market. There's certain things that happen when it's a seller's market. But what's happening now is we're getting close to 2025, and there are certain things that have to happen. There are regulatory initiatives that have to be put in place, and there are some data situations that have to happen. So for those types of things, you're going to have to get people who have more than 5 to 8 years experience to lead those projects, to participate in those projects, to get the things done, right? And so if you want that, you have to hire people with more experience, and that costs more. And so that's what I'm seeing in the market right now. Everything that I just said. I see regulatory projects. I see some lead projects, some product managers, some project managers, some business analysts, some senior business analyst jobs. I see data analyst jobs, and the prices are better. Not all of them. Not even most of them. But you know, there's always the tip of the spear, right? So the prices are getting better. The rates are, what I mean by that is the rates are higher than they have been lately. So hopefully everyone will be going back to work soon, because it's really been tough. It's been a tough market. The thing about the tough market is that eventually, as an employer, you shoot yourself in the foot, because you will always get what you pay for. And if you don't pay for it, you can't get it, right? So if you want that person that can wear 2 or 3 different hats, 3, 4 different hats, and can jump into this project and jump into that project and jump on that and see what's going on and figure that out, you don't get that with 5 years of experience, right? Because those people have not progressed enough in their career to have the opportunity to even have that experience. So and this is nothing against young people or Gen Z. I love them. I think they have the right mindset. They are using the job instead of letting the job use them, and that's good for them. I see them having multiple streams of income. Good, smart. They've looked at what's been done to their parents and their grandparents in terms of work, and they're like, I can make this work differently for me. So you gotta love that. In any event, rates are coming back. We're getting closer to 2025. There's always new projects at the start of the year. So, yeah, hopefully everyone who wants to work will be back at work soon. And good luck and God bless. That's all I have for you today. I hope that you found this helpful. Please like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel, or follow me depending on what platform you're on, and come back another time where we will continue to talk tech. Bye.